Politicians battle over health care. There's a push to get more minority students interested in becoming doctors.
There are pipeline programs across the country working to break barriers often faced by minority students trying to make it to medical school. Got the chance to see how these programs are helping dreams come true.
You can do it without a doubt. Then why is there no doubt in my mind? Because I've done it already.
Dr. Maurice Selby is an emergency medicine physician at SUNY Downstate Medical Center. As a kid on Staten Island, he thought about becoming a doctor, but had no idea how to get there. Then he entered a physician prep program starting in high school.
They provided everything: shadowing experience, also SAT preparation, coming in for morning rounds, going to clinics, seeing patients, writing charts.
The pipeline programs continue through medical school, offering emotional and financial support. Now Dr. Selby mentors other med school students and says when he treats patients of color in the ER, they're often surprised.
So when they see me, that's like a huge, it can be a shock sometimes. They appreciate me as their provider. They appreciate the fact that a person, that pretty much comes from the same background was able to accomplish such a thing in the first place.
Joe Wiederhorn is president of the Associated Medical Schools of New York, or AMSNY, which runs many pipeline programs.
If a student has a passion and really wants to go to medical school, there are ways to get there. There are people out there and there are programs out there that will support them.
So how do you find out about the programs? Dr. Selby found out from his high school guidance counselor, but you can also go to the AMSNY website, which has a listing of all the programs.
These are high school students in a pipeline program created by the Arthur Ashe Institute of Urban Health. Many want to become doctors, but often run into naysayers.
They just have a lot of things to tell you that's going to discourage you. But if you're from, like where I'm from, Brownsville or Haiti, you have to remind yourself that you have a goal and you're no different from anyone else because of the community you were raised in.
Rojessie Charles knew she wanted to be a doctor even in elementary school, but says it took this program to open the door.
Wanting a dream or having a dream is one thing, but actually reaching for it is another thing. And I think that I'm about halfway there, and I'm really happy that I made that first step.
The next step is college. Rojessie has applied to schools like Columbia and Cornell and will get an answer in April.
Fingers crossed. They'd be lucky together.
Absolutely. It seems like such a great program.
These are great programs.